5. The electric car market continues to expand rapidly. With advancements in battery technology, affordability, and infrastructure, owning an electric car is becoming more accessible than ever. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 affordable electric cars of 2025, each offering excellent range, performance, and incredible value for money. The Nissan Leaf has been one of the most successful electric cars in the world, and the 2025 version is better than ever. With 214 horsepower and a 250-mile range on a single charge, plus 80% charging in just 40 minutes starting around $30,000. The Nissan Leaf continues to offer great value with a perfect blend of efficiency, practicality, and affordability. The Fiat 500 Electric is an iconic city car that's now fully electrified, offering an affordable, compact option for urban drivers. Fiat's compact electric vehicle is perfect for city driving, offering both style and practicality in an eco-friendly package. The Hyundai Kona Electric is one of the top electric compact SUVs, offering an excellent combination of range, features, and affordability. With 201 horsepower, an impressive 300-mile range, and 40-minute charging,